Hello, welcome back to my channel. My name is Janani. If you're new here, welcome. I make PolymerClay DIY tutorials here on YouTube. Today I'm going to show you guys how I made these faux agate earrings. These are the colors I'll be using. The color on the right side is translucent. I'm going to use some white clay to roll a log shape. This will be my core. Using my pasta machine, I roll the rest of the clay colors into various thicknesses. This will help to create the layers of the agate. Natural agate layers are very organic, so to mimic that, here I am folding some wrinkles onto this clay layer. Then I'm wrapping the layer around the core, trimming the excess. This step is repeated with the rest of the other colors. I also did some layers without wrinkles. I use white as the final layer. Then I'm pressing the log to make sure all the layers are joined together. I'm also rolling and reducing the size of the log. I'm using the end of this paintbrush to create some texture around the log. I will also be using some crumpled up aluminum foil to create stone-like texture. Now when I'm cutting into my log, you can see all the layers that we created. I am slicing pieces that are about a couple millimeters thick. I'm also going to run these pieces through my pasta machine to make sure they are nice and even. I'm removing the core but leaving a little border of white clay. Using a needle tool and a dental pick, I'm going to add some more texture inside and outside. Here I'm adding some gold leaf to the outside layer of this agate piece. I poked a hole at the top for my earring hardware. Here I am adding more details. Using some liquid translucent clay, I am filling the inside so I will be able to add some sparkles. Here I am adding some beautiful sparkles. After all the sparkles are added, I bake it about 45 minutes. To give my new agates a sparkly finish, I'm using Sculpey gloss glaze. After the gloss glaze is dried, I added all my earring hardware. That is it for this tutorial. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Please leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you guys in the next tutorial.